In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule reports in Salesforce. Salesforce is a fantastic tool for managing and analyzing your data. Scheduling reports allows you to automatically receive updates without having to manually run the report each time. Whether you need daily, weekly, or conditional notifications, setting up a report schedule can greatly streamline your workflow. Let's jump right in and see how you can do this in just a few easy steps. First, start by heading over to the app launcher. You'll recognize it as the grid icon, often found in the top left or right corner, depending on your Salesforce interface setup. Click on this, then type reports into the search bar that appears. Select reports from the drop-down list. With the reports page open, you'll want to find and open the specific report you're interested in scheduling. You might have a list of reports already available, or you can search for one by name. After opening the report, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top right corner. There you'll spot a drop-down arrow next to the Edit button. Go ahead and click on that arrow. What you're looking for is the Subscribe option within this drop-down. In Salesforce terms, subscribing to a report is how you set it up to be scheduled. Click on Subscribe. This will open the subscription settings window where the real work begins. Once you're in the subscription settings, you'll first need to decide how often you'd like to receive this report. You can choose from options like daily, weekly, or you can set it for specific days. Pick what suits your needs best. Next, set the exact time you want the report to run. This feature is incredibly helpful if you're aiming to have fresh data waiting in your inbox at the start of your workday. So find a time that aligns perfectly with your schedule. Now, let's talk recipients. You can choose to add yourself, which is generally a good idea, but you can also include other users, specific roles within your organization, or even groups. This ensures that everyone who needs the data has easy access to it without the hassle of requesting or sending additional emails. There's also an option for setting conditions, though this part is completely optional. Conditions allow you to receive the report only when certain criteria are met. For instance, you might only want the report if there's new data, like when the row count exceeds 0. This ensures the report is relevant whenever you receive it. Finally, after you've configured all these settings to your liking, click Save. And just like that, you're all set. Your report is now scheduled, and you can look forward to receiving updates automatically, freeing you up to focus on other tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes scheduling reports in Salesforce a seamless part of your routine.